My school. It's good to be back. Finally, nice to meet you.
How are you?
Gentlemen. What are you dressed up for? Good. Very, very good.
रणवीर सर
आओ ना.
रणवीर
हाँ जी.
स्वागत
ओए 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 ओए.
रिमेंबर ना
ओए ओए.
अरे बाबा मैं हीरो थोड़ी हूँ हाँ God bless you. God bless you. Hold him tight. Hold him tight.
कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
अरे बस तुम्हारे ही दरवाजे
That's to come next. Kindly settle down, ladies and gentlemen. That's to come next. Kindly settle down, ladies and gentlemen.
If ever we had a program and there was some disruptive element, what would we do? And you have done it. You have succeeded in this such a long time. Ranveer, this is your homecoming, home ground, so we are really, really happy parents, children, trustees, everyone. We've been looking forward to this moment. Yes, Ranveer will stay on longer if you all get to your seats. Yes, promise us this year.
Please be seated.
Although he is a star, he is our student and definitely he loves the school. He will stay on for a while. Please sit down. Alright, Ranveer, I think they will listen to you. Why don't you ask them to settle down, please? You are the head boy and my ugly house star.
Life is learning. That is our motto. Took me a lot of years to understand the real meaning, but now that I finally have, I thought it's a good time to come back to school. A good time to come back and thank everybody who makes this institution what it is. The teachers, the staff, the backbone, the life and soul of this institution that I'm so proud of. A round of applause for our lovely, lovely School Runners Academy. This man who gets handsome, more and more handsome with every passing year. How does he do it? I'm looking older and older, he's looking younger and younger. दुबे जी follows yoga, I just heard. और ये राज जो दुबे जी राज रखना चाहते थे अब खुलासा हो गया इसका. I think yoga is a wonderful thing, kids. I really think you should follow it. But before we move on, I have something to show you. दुबे जी, मेरी help करें. तो मैं यूं कॉलर ऊपर करके घूमता था मंगल रक्षा में और दुबे जी बोलते ए कॉलर डाउन. दुबे जी ने मुझे मैं बोलता ए हीरो. मैंने दुबे जी आपको सीरियसली ले लिया. ये मेरे फेयरवेल पे देखो, हमारे फेयरवेल पे जैसे रिवाज है तो all my friends and everybody wrote special messages. A shirt that is perhaps one of my most prized possessions, my school shirt. But there is a very, very special message on this shirt that I found out when I removed it out of my vault today. Look at it. Don't get excited, girls. There's no more than this is going to happen. दुबे जी यहाँ क्या, किसने क्या लिखा है इस शर्ट के मुकुट पर? किसने क्या लिखा है जरा बताएं.
खुश रहो.
और किसने लिखा है?
दुबे जी ने. क्या बात है, सजो के रखा है. इसे कहते हैं लर्नर्स. लर्नर्स फैमिली. और ये रणवीर, चेतक का रणवीर, जिसने बैंड बाजा से शुरू किया है और आज बैंड बाजा लेके आया है. लूटते लूटते बाजीराव बन गया है.
सर एक बहुत क्रूशियल एलिमेंट आपने मिस किया, जो हमारी सर्टेन मैम हमें कहती थी हमने सीरियसली ले लिया. रणवीर एंड हिज बैंड ऑफ गुंडास. मतलब मैं बदला नहीं. But it feels amazing to be back here. कभी हम लोग एनुअल डे रखते थे भाईदास हॉल में, कभी सेंट एंड्रूज में.
एक सच्चाई है रणवीर, प्रकृति कभी बदलती नहीं है. नेचर नेवर चेंज. तो हम चाहेंगे रणवीर कभी बदलेगा नहीं. हाँ संभलेगा जरूर. संभल के चलेगा. आज बाजीराव है, कल तो पूरी दुनिया का बेताज बादशाह बनेगा.
इंशाल्लाह सर मैं तरक्की करते रहूं. And I hope to continue to work hard and keep making our institution proud. मैं यहाँ का head boy हुआ करता था. Very very proud of that. And very very proud Agni House captain. आपको पता है पहले 3 हाउस हुआ करते थे, वरुणा, सूर्य और अग्नि. फिर पृथ्वी बाद में आया. पृथ्वी आया था बीच में. अब 3 हाउस हैं. और आई वॉज अ वेरी वेरी प्राउड अग्नि. जब बच्चे यहाँ से वहाँ शफल होते थे मैं फिर भी अग्नि हाउस में डटा रहा. सो ऑल माय अग्नि हाउस किड्स आउट देयर, लेट मी हियर इट. It's wonderful to be here, guys. My small way of coming back and thanking everybody for their invaluable contribution towards building my foundations. This is where I learned everything. Kids, नीचे हो जा, दुबे जी का उल्टे हाथ का बना। मैंने बड़े खाए हैं, बहुत। Not really. Dubey ji was somebody who always was very firm with us because we were badly behaved, to be honest. But he always loved us much more than all the darts that he used to allow us. I think I was his personal favorite. And I think Dubey ji was one of the first people to recognize the performer in me. He recognized my abilities and took me to various elocution competitions that he used to train me very rigorously. And I used to win. And he was one of the first people who validated the thought in me that I could someday grow up to be a performer. याद है दुबे जी, मैं कितनी प्रैक्टिस करता था आपके साथ। केमिस्ट्री लैब में लेके जाके दुबे जी कराते रहते थे। माननीय निर्णायक गण, शिक्षक बंधुओं तथा मेरे भाइयों एवं बहनों, देवियों और सज्जनों और मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, आह तालियां। So Dubey ji has been an integral part of my growing up years. One second, kids, I have to request you to go down.
Ranveer.
And Fatima Rodriguez. A round of applause for Fatima Rodriguez. The main reason behind why I speak such good English, such polished English, is this beautiful lady.
Thank you so much, Ranveer. And we really admire your interviews, the way you talk and make us proud.
Thank you.
You were a charmer then and you are still a charmer today. Now I just want you to settle down here because we want you to stay on with us for some more time.
I would love to see some of the kids perform. You know guys, this was my first stage ever. Bhaidas Hall, St. Andrews. I was not outstanding in studies. I was very good. I was not outstanding in sports. I was very good. But I knew there was one thing that I could really do well. So today, this one day in the year, Learners Academy Annual Day, was my day to shine. So all the dance programs, all the plays, I used to be the lead actor, and this was where I started performing.
Children, please maintain your discipline.
So maybe.
Take your places.
Sing Ranveer how to maintain discipline. Sir, sing Ranveer how to maintain discipline.
Ranveer, he is a king. Sing is a king.
Sir, he is not a...
Shut up, sir.
So I won't.
Thank you, Ranveer. We are really all charged up now. But a little...
We know this is a bit of exercise for you all.
Take you all back in time, about 15 years ago, when a talented Agni House boy joined the batch of head boy of Learners Academy. I think he's given you that history, but I have the trivia here. Bubbling with energy and filled with enthusiasm, a mischievous gleam in his eyes, he could take on anything with confidence. An excellent elocutionist and actor, he never failed to charm his teachers and anyone he encountered now. And all these traits I think he still displays. Coming back to the present, this young man, a storehouse of talent, one of our favorite ex-students and the heartthrob of the nation. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, by now this was meant to be a suspense talk and a suspense conversation happening, but you came and disrupted that. So anyway, we are talking about Ranveer Singh. Ranveer Bhavnani, as we know him as a student, Ranveer Bhavnani, okay? We at Learners are simply thrilled to have you in our midst today and welcome you home. Thank you for taking the time off. That's a little formal though, Ranveer. All right, our guests can all be seated. And now I'd like Mrs. Samani to present a bouquet to Mrs. Rishita Gupta. I think we can keep our applause going as we present flowers and tokens to each of our guests. Mrs. Rishita Gupta, I request you to please hand over tokens to the rest of our guests. And I think the little Mrs. the Guptas, the little babies, Tia and Mehek, wanted to be up on stage and hand over some bouquets to their favorite stars. Can we have you up, Tia and Mehek? Along with Mom. Ranveer, that's our head girl. The girl standing beside you is our head girl, Jasmine Sheikh. Head boy, Momin, can we have you up here? The ICSE examination for the year 2015. It was none other than Salil Fernandez, who scored an overall of 96.50%. At the ICSE examination for the year 2014, we had Mehek Kukreja with an overall percentage of 94.117. Thank you, Salil and Mehek, for doing your school proud, and all the best in all that you do in your future. Alright, we move on now to the release of our school magazine. And I request Mrs. Gupta, Mr. Dubey, and our chief guest, Mr. Zayed Khan, to please cut the ribbon for our magazine. We'd like the rest of the guests also to join them there, please. All our guests, Ranveer, Shubhani, Saida, Navid. Thank you very much to all our guests. And I think, Ranveer, I'm being told again and again that you have to leave, you have to leave. Do you want to leave? Then it's done. You can stay on.
As we all know, Learners Academy has completed 32 years and it's now in its 33rd year.
Also, we'd like to have on stage our speech and drama teacher and the director of our show, Mrs. Odile Madeira, who has toiled day and night on her script at night, of course, at home, and day after day in school, to bring out the best in our children. I request Mrs. Gupta to...
जी नहीं, किसी को नहीं जी बहुत आज बहुत स्पेशल डे है। बहुत सालों बाद मैं स्कूल आया हूँ। आई थॉट वाज अ वंडरफुल टाइम। मैं हर साल कोशिश करता हूँ कि मैं वापस आऊँ, लेकिन इस बार इट वर्कड आउट कि आज एक बड़े दिन पर, एनुअल डे बहुत बड़ा दिन होता है हर स्कूल के लिए, मेरे स्कूल के लिए, और यही वो दिन है जहाँ मैं परफॉर्म करता था प्लेज में, डांसेस में, और यहीं मुझे वो एक्सपीरियंस मिलता था कि यार शायद बड़ा हो के मैं भी एक परफॉर्मर बनूं। तो ये मेरा दिन होता था, माय डे टू शाइन, एनुअल डे लर्नर्स अकेडमी का। हाँ जी, ये काफ़ी सारे, ये मेरे स्कूल का शर्ट है, 10th स्टैंडर्ड की शर्ट जो मैंने बहुत प्रिजर्व करके रखी है, और मेरे सारे यार दोस्तों ने फेयरवेल डे पर, लास्ट डे पर मैसेजेस लिखे हैं। दुबे जी से भी मैंने लिखवाया, अंदर है उनका मैसेज, सदा सुखी रहो जो दुबे जी ने बहुत प्यार से लिखा था। तो हाँ, दिस इज़ वन ऑफ माई मोस्ट प्राइज पोजेशन, सोचा इट वुड बी अ वंडरफुल थिंग टू वेयर इट हियर टुडे।
रणवीर, स्कूल में सब नॉटी होते हैं, आप कितने नॉटी हुआ करते थे?
वो आप दुबे जी को पूछिए, मैं बहुत नॉटी हुआ करता था, लेकिन मैं हर, अरे टीचर्स खड़ी है,
यही रुको, ये डोर बंद कर दो, ओपन मत करो प्लीज।
आप बताओ ना।
I was his maths teacher. I have taught maths when he was in the 8th standard, and he was very naughty but very intelligent and very bold, as you see him now also. My blessings for him.
Thank you, Mr. Afsar.
God bless you.
Okay, couple of minutes more here. हाँ जी जी।
रणवीर जी अभी तो सब है आपके पास, only one thing that would be needed soon, you might be getting married also.
Can we talk about my school's annual day today here, please? And nothing else.
Ranveer, you have a huge fan following today. A lot of women fan followings are also there. How was it in school? Were you like the most popular guy among girls?
Yes, I was. so I was always the performer. I was always in the popular bunch. I used to be a bully. I used to be fat. I used to be very, very mischievous. And yeah, school used to be my life, man. Everything. Learners Academy. I was here for the entire duration of my schooling years, 15 years. I passed out of here as the head boy. So I'm very, very proud that I can come back and be a part of a function like this. And yeah, it feels amazing to see all the people that you've grown up with. All the staff, all my teachers, and it's just I can feel that they have this sense of pride when they see me, and that feels really wonderful. I hope that it's your parents, it's your teachers, it's the people who were involved in building your foundations as a person. It's when they feel that sense of pride for you that you really feel wonderful and feel like everything that you're working for is amounting to something special. So yes, it's a very, very special day for me.
आने वाली जो जनरेशन है उनको कोई टिप्स देना चाहेंगे?
Last question. Follow your heart, and do what you're passionate about. Do what you love what you do. And believe that there are no limits, and work hard, keep your feet on the ground and your head held up high.
Thank you.
Wires. रणवीर,
हाँ जी।
रिमेम्बर ना? अरे बाबा, मैं हीरो थोड़ी हूँ। God bless you. God bless you.
Hold him tight.